Best data recovery software. Recuva is a data recovery software developed by Piriform, designed to help users recover deleted or lost files from various storage devices, such as hard drives, USB drives, memory cards, and even external storage devices. It is beneficial for retrieving accidentally deleted files, recovering data from formatted drives, and restoring files lost due to system crashes or corrupted storage. How to download Recuva? Visit the official website. Go to Piriform's official website to download Recuva. Choose the right version. Select either the free version or the professional version, which includes advanced features and premium support. Install Recuva. Once downloaded, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install Recuva on your computer. How to recover data with Recuva. Launch Recuva. Open the application after installation. The Recuva wizard will guide you through the recovery process. Select file type. Choose the file type you want to recover. You can also select all files for a broader search. Specify file location. Indicate where you want Recuva to search, such as a specific drive, a particular folder, or the entire computer. Choose scan mode. Start with a normal scan or opt for a deep scan if the normal scan doesn't locate your files. Recover files. Once the scan is complete, Recuva will display a list of recoverable files. Select the files you want to recover, choose a safe location to restore them, and confirm the recovery. Using Recuva can be a straightforward way to recover lost or deleted files. Just remember to avoid saving recovered files to the original location to prevent overwriting any still recoverable data.